Action! This is the Freaks 199, and this is called Me and My Idiot Friend Shoot the Crap Out of Each Other with That Dart Gun, while the other one rides that little tiny bike over there. No! Oh, right in the camera.
Alright, what's the deal? Is it recording?
Yeah. Yeah. First